Yeah, good evening. Good evening to all. Welcome to the Business Intelligence Masterclass series. So, welcome to everyone. So, Naveen Kumar, good evening, and Srikar, good evening, sir, and Sujita, good evening, and Manaswini, good evening, Amulya, good evening, Varun Vetrivel, good evening, very good evening. Yeah, Devendra sir, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, Sugasi ma'am, good evening. And Teja, Sanju, sir, good evening. Yeah, Shri Krishnan, good evening. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Once again, welcome to Pantech Learning, and also welcome to the Business Intelligence Masterclass series. Yes, hi, Reddy, good evening. Raghu, good evening. Good evening, everyone. So, last class we will completed with that, what was that? I think it's a SQL extraction. So, what is the thing we will? What is the topic we will last will complete it? Like KPI and metrics, right? So last class we will completed the session at the KPI and the metrics as well as sorry, and business goals. How the business goals, the KPI and the metrics will help to make a business goal. So this is the thing we will complete in the last session. So today already is said about this. Today we are going to see about introduction of Google Analytics. So that is one of the business intelligence tools. So how it is used and what is exactly Google Analytics and how it is work, how can we use that and what all the use cases are available. These kind of things we will discuss in session. And also installation process also I will show you how can we install this kind of tool. And one more thing, this particular tool is helpful for only business people. Is more convenient with this because they are working in one kind of running in some kind of industry, right? So they need every time and time based or customer based count or the sales data is needed, right? So that particular peoples is needed for this. Like it's very helpful to this particular Google Analytics tool. Okay. So today I will show you so how it is work, how can we import the data, these kind of things I will show you. Okay now. So without delay, we are entering the topic. Okay. So today is an introduction to Google Analytics. That is one of the business intelligence tools. So what is exactly meaning of the Google Analytics? It is one of the Google's product. So now the Google is having Google Drive and also what is that? So multiple products are available. So I will show you one by one. So the Google Analytics is a free web analytics service provided by Google that helps you analyze your website traffic. The website traffic means in your website how many people will see your website. So if you have any website or web page in company people, then only like you see that. So most of the time the freelancers or business people only is having website. So then only I starting stage I will still said to you, like told to you, this particular Google Analytics is fit for business peoples. Okay now, so the website traffic means how many people see like view the particular website or how many people use the particular website, that count, and also how many people buy the product and buy that particular thing and use that particular website data. So this kind of analysis is called website traffic. Simply said, how many people use that particular website. That count is called as a website traffic, and it provides in-depth insights into user behavior, allowing businesses and website owners to make data-driven decisions. So this is the meaning of Google Analytics. This is the way Google Analytics is used here. Okay now. Okay. So next one, key benefits of Google Analytics. So what are the benefits are there in particular website, like the tool? Understand who your visitors are. So first thing I have said to you, right? Just now I said this. How many people see your website? That's the first thing. Then track how users interact with your websites. How many people use your website and use your data? That is the thing. Third one is measure the performance of marketing campaigns and identify the high performing content and improve the conversion rates of ROI. That is the rest of investment. So last time we will see the ROI, right? So rate of investment. Sorry, I missed that. So these are all the benefits is available in a business Google Analytics tools. Okay, now. So first thing, to understand your user or visitors, how many people set the count, and track your website, how they are interact with your website, and measure the performance of your product. If you have a product based website or your service based website, so whatever it is, you can understand the campaigns and the marketing strategies and identify the high performing content. So if the content is like the particular data is fit for your domain or in your need, we can identify that, and also improve conversion rate of your investment. Once you can invest the particular website for your time also and your money, you can easily understand like what is that. I understand this particular Google Analytics tool. So next one is website traffic analysis. How the website traffic analysis, the included points. So that is sessions, uses, page views, bounce rate, and average session duration, traffic sources, and new returning visitors. So that means first session means total visit and including repeated visits. So how many people totally view or see our website, and how many people repeatedly comes. So that is the first thing, that is sessions. And users means unique visitors to the site. So the particular visitors, which kind of things we work they are do. Is the students, working people, or personal people who all visit your page. The uniqueness of the particular visitors are your users. Then third one is a page views. That is total number of pages viewed. How many pages? Like if multiple companies having home page, about page, and career page, and also what is that, the achievement page. So the particular things is having page wise is here, right? So generally we see the use, or also we are also saw that some kind of website, so we know, right? So that how many numbers and how many people see the first page, how many people see, and the next page is how many people see that particular page. So this kind of way we can understand that. And the bounce rate of the website, the percentage of visitors who leave after viewing only one page. So how many people just see your first page and they are exit. How many people will do this? So unique visualization concept and those unique ratings is like that mean templates is available in this particular Google Analytics, as well as is using for website traffic analysis. Then next one, average session duration, the time spent by users per session. So one time they will visit your website, so how many kind of minutes or seconds they will spending to you. Now if I for example the ChatGPT is very useful for students. Why? Because of not only students, so we are all, if we need one information means directly I go with the Google or ChatGPT. Now I ask when my need will be fulfilled, either satisfied, then only I will exit the particular page, the ChatGPT page or Google page. Still that I will present in this particular place, right? So then only the duration, the average session of duration is also included in the website analysis. Then next one, traffic sources. So where your visitors are coming from based on the search engines and social media and direct or referral. So we don't know, so we cannot see that how they are identify with our visiting. So like our information. So some kind of website is asking. So what is that? Give an input your details. So mobile number, mail ID, some kind of website will ask, right? So based on the details wise, they will identify. So is a student or working people, or this is a general review or general visiting. This kind of thing they will understand. Okay now. So next one, that also one, the search engine wise. So search engine means if we are using the Google or Microsoft Edge or is what is that Firefox or UZ browser, so multiple browsers is there, right? So which one we will use? There are search engine wise we will identify, and also social media wise they will identify. So this kind of multiple ways to identify how many people will be using these sources wise. The next one, new versus returning visitors. So distinguishes first time visitors from repeat users. It's not distinguish. I think it's a differentiate the spelling mistake. I think the word will be mistake. So so every website, the repeated audience also there, or also new audience also there. So based on the content or based on the domain wise, the audience like the visitors count or visitors type is different. Like generically, like the Google is also one of the web page, right? So the Google is every people will use. The repeated people also come, or also new people also come day by day. Why? Because if we need anything, if we analyze or if you have getting any information, means we are going to visit repeatedly. Otherwise, if we easily understand, means we are said about the ticket booking, the train ticket booking, IRCTC, as well as bus ticket booking. So the red bus and some multiple applications here, the Ravi bus, then Flix, and recently one bus is which like that. The company will very familiar. When we are on repeated visitors for these particular things. Once we are going move on to our native town or move on to the one place into the another place, then we can going to visit the particular page, the bus web page or else application base. Okay, this is the difference between new versus returning visitors. Next one is the benefits of using Google Analytics. What are the benefits? So understand visitor behavior and demographic, identify your most popular content, and optimize marketing campaigns based on user traffic source, and improve website design and user experience, and track ROI of digital advertising and SEO efforts. Okay, now, so these are all the things already I will told you, right? So what is the benefits, the key benefits, we will see that, right? So understanding our visitors location and their need, so we can understand that, and identify the content, what will they need, what will they expect from you, from us. So we can understand and optimize the marketing campaigns. So both are same, more or less similar. Okay, now. So next one, common use cases of Google Analytics. So already I told that generally I will just told you, right, the Google Analytics using for only business peoples. So the e-commerce, blogging, lead generation, marketing, these all comes under the business. So then what I said is the best using tool for business peoples. So e-commerce, first one, e-commerce is the track purchases and cart abandonment, and the blogging is using for analyze most read articles and traffic sources. Lead generation is measure measure form submission and CTA clicks, and marketing is evaluate ROI, email, social, and also paid campaigns, social media and paid campaigns. So the e-commerce blogging is everything is comes under the business related factors. Okay, now, so then only these are all the common use cases of Google Analytics. Okay, so now I will reminding one small thing. So I already said this. So we will offering these some business intelligence tools, like business intelligence internship we will provide it. So in this particular internship is having 8 kind of benefits, that is 30 days of exclusive recording session, all presentation and downloadable source codes are available, and exclusive 7+ project codes and downloadables are available, AET confirmation letter, 90 days of LMS course access, assignment plus task, VIP community and special updates are available, like community WhatsApp group, and high valued AET certificate we will provide it to you. So these are all the 8 benefits of in this particular internship. So if anyone interested, kindly use this. So in this particular internship registration fees, like discount fees is at 999. So already the link will be shared into the comment box, like chat box. So tomorrow is the last date for this particular internship, so don't miss this. If anyone interested, kindly use this. Okay, now tomorrow is the last date, it's the deadline, so don't forget and also don't miss it. So this is the payment page. Once you click the link, you can move on to this particular payment page. Okay, fine. The next one, installation of Google Analytics is one of the just a tool, right? So we don't have much details about this kind of tool. We will practically implement, that is the major part in this particular thing. Fine. So now, this is the page, like account creation of this particular Google Analytics. So it is not like still now the Google Analytics now don't have an application wise. So mobile application, desktop applications don't have. It is the only web application. So provided by the Google, right? So that only is only desktop, sorry, web application only available. Website only there. So now I will show you how can we search and how we create an account. So each and everything I will show you. So once we will create the particular visualization like this format. This is the sample of Google Analytics tool. So in this particular tool is using for total user. How many on particular website is here. In this particular website, how many people visit in the last week. This everything is the last week. How many people will visit their website? There is 2,07,000 people will visited, and returning users is the 26,400 something. New users is the 1,80,000, and conversion count is the 1,135 count, and the pages per session. So already we will see this kind of things. So per page 3.49 something people will be there, and the sessions, total sessions is the 8,34,000 sessions. Engagement is the 1,79,000, and the bounce rate is 78.46%. So based on the count wise, the wave will be increased or decreased. Okay, so we cannot only using only singly, only we can use the only single chart is having some multiple charts. There is donut chart, bar chart, column charts also available. So I will show you the visualization. Okay, don't worry. So what are the types is here only I will show you today. In upcoming session we will detailedly discuss out how can we create this kind of templates like this format. Okay, now fine. So now I will show you how can we, where will we get this particular tool and how to create an account for this particular tool. So you need only, you have an account, then only you can use this particular tool. Okay, so now I am going to my browser. There is two kind of way you can get it, this kind of tool. One thing, you can search within Google, just search in the Google Analytics. And oh sorry, just to search here. So you can get it the 2-3 website. First 2 website is for your application, like tool application. So you can get it the application like this. So why is not asking to me to sign in? Because of, okay, now it's not needed, because I already signed into my mail ID for this particular thing, right? Then only there is now asking to my sign in. So directly I going to the analytic process. So now I am using a different server or different ID for this particular thing. So once I close this and open the another mail ID, I will choose and open that. Here I will search that. So before that I will show you one particular thing. There is search and directly you can get, right? So another method is have, that is simple method. What is that means? Already I told this Google Analytics, one of the product of Google. Okay, so here in everyone you can see this kind of things like gadgets, email and images is here, and what is the search labs is also here. Your mail ID account will be showing here. In between that, centrally the Google apps will be showing, like the menu button, right? Once I click this, you can get in common things, your account, your Drive, Mail, YouTube, Gemini, like Google's AI, Gemini, Google Map, Google Search Engine, and the calendar, Google Calendar, Google News, Google Photos, Google Meet, so Google Translate, everything, this each and everything is the Google's product. So once you scroll down, you can see the Google Analytics product like tool also. Here you see that the Google Analytics tool is also presenting here. Once you click this, you can directly go move on to the web page of this particular Google Analytics. Okay now. Okay, so wait a second. Yeah. So here I am new to this particular thing because I am not signing in this particular mail ID into this particular analytics. So now I need a sign in for this particular thing. So give a start measuring, and we can get it some 5 kind of steps you have. First one, you can give it your name, like account means your mail ID, right? So I give some name. I give him my name, that is Shankar Ganesh. My name I will provide it here. Then, so he's just asking terms and conditions like that. So modeling contribution if you have, and technical support if you need, or recommendations of your business if you need, or Google product and service also if you need to combine with this. So just asking to you, if you interested, you can select the Google products, or else you can skip this. There's no need. So then you give the next button. It's going to the another page. Just now I will show you right in slide. So we need to create a property. That means our website. Property means our website. Okay. So what kind of website you have? You can mention in your website name and you are posted your website URL. Okay. So just you common people, just you understand. So what is that? Other business people is here, so you can follow these steps and give it provided to your website or website link. You can follow this. So property means your page. So we have a Pantech website is here. So I give it to the Pantech internship. I will give the name, property name like this. So if you which kind of time zone you have, you can fix that. So we are in India, so I will fix the Indian timing. So fix this Indian timing, and currency also we can fix the Indian rupees. So which kind of region you are, you can choose that. So Indian rupees I will fix and give it to the next, because each and everything you can get the payment or money. So it's a common thing, you know already. So based on the in single view, the particular website people is getting money. Okay now, so once you done this one, you're going to the next one, that is business details. So how many is your industries, where based on your working peoples, we can give that. So before that, your category, which kind of category your company is here. And we are in working with the computer and electronics as well as education. So just I will give to the other business activity, because we are working field as a computer and electronics also we will work, as well as education department also we will work. So just an example, right? So I give it to the other business activities, and in our working range, this working people's count is 101 to 100. So still in between the nearly 200 something people will be working in our branch wise. And I give it our business scale range, like size range, and given to the next. So next, choose your business objective. So what is the objective of your business? So in our side is a generate leads and drive sales, and understand web or application traffic, and view user engagement retention. So we will do this everything. So but here we can choose only one thing. We cannot choose the multiple things. So just I give other business objectives. So major thing we can give the generate leads and also understand the web traffic. So now I will give to the other business objectives. So in your domain or your objective is presented here, you can select based on that. So once I give the create, it's asking to the permissions. So that is general permission, terms and conditions. You can click and go into the scroll down that. Just scroll up. Yeah, here on this you can click the accept and give the I accept. So next one is the collection of data. So which kind of platform you can use when collecting the data? So if you have a website means you can choose the web, or you have an application means you can choose the Android app, and you have OS like Apple iPhone like that means you can choose the iOS app. So now is no needed. Now I give a skip. Oh, okay, once again is needed. Okay, now. So data collection is no need now. Already we sign in that. You see this, my account will be logged in this particular analytics process. So it's no needed. Then only I will skip the process. Okay. So next one we are entering into the what was that? Google Analytics homepage. So it is the homepage. You see that? Okay. What is the stream? Yeah, same like the collecting process. If I give the web, so we have a website, right? I choose the web, and here we will paste it our URL and everything. So here we have a Pantech internship website is here. In day one, I will show you, right? I will show you. So it is the Pantech e-learning website internship page. So in this page we have our work, what we work. Present here. So once I copy this link, I copy this URL. Okay, yeah. So now I am going to paste it here. My website URL. So it needs already the HTTPS is here. So remove this. My website name. So what will I give my same like a Pantech internship is okay for this. And how many pages views. Once we done with this, then we can see this kind of things. Page views, outbound linking, site search, file downloads, how many people downloads, video engagement, so everything. So once you're done with this into your web stream name as well as your website URL, you will paste it here. You can give that create and continue. So you can move on to here. So already this kind of thing will be received. So just now I will add my website, right? So then only is not getting anything like any views count everything. Okay, is another thing. So if you followed by the visualization for combined with the WordPress. WordPress is one of the tool based on the website creation. So now it's no needed. In upcoming session I will show you. So here your stream name, your stream URL, stream ID, measurement ID, everything will show you here. Your web stream details. So once you work with this, you can see your web page views, everything you can measure and analyze that. Okay, so once I cancel this. Okay, so now my data stream, so everything will done. Next one I will pass it to my data. So here in my website is directly I will what is that? See my viewers or visitors count, so everything, or else manually I will add it to my data. So if I have one kind of Excel file or CSV file, if I have means offline file is have means if I import this, and also that means I pass data. Where I pass data, and also I want to see. Okay, so I will see this kind of things. So I will show you how can we do this. We have a past data. So for example, I will show one kind of thing. That is here I have one data that is best seller with the category. That means the book selling count. So one of the web application is here. That particular application year wise they are selling books. How many books is sold based on the count as genre wise. This kind of data is here. This is a CSV file format. So now I will import to the particular data analytics, Google Analytics tools. How can I do this? Means you are going to the left side, in your admin option is here. You click this admin and you can get it. So this much of things. So property is here, data display is here, and the product link is combined with this here. So here the right side, the second one is the data collection or modification. Here the data import is here. Once you click this data import option, you can get it this one. So you can manually add this one. So your data is which one is based. So custom event data. So it's based on the event data or cost data or like payment data or item or product data or user data. So how many people use it, your customer data or user data by client wise and offline event data. So whatever it is. So based on your data type wise, you can choose the mode like type. So here I have an item data, that is books related, right? So give the item data and give the create data source. Select the item data. Here also you can select, or you are going to create data source. Here you can select that. So item data I will select here, and the data source name also you can give. Before that you upload your CSV file. Here the option is import source option. Manual CSV upload or SFTP one of the source, and Salesforce is also here. Salesforce is a web data, you can extract that. So once I give the upload CSV means is move on to your local browser, like your local system. I'm going to the downloads. Here I have the data, the best seller with categories. So once I click this and open this thing, the CSV file will be uploaded here. So now the balance thing is, now give the data source name of my data. So that is book selling data. So just I give the name like this, book selling data, and give it to the next one. Here we can classify the details, the field. So once I show you the Excel file. So in this particular CSV Excel file is having different kind of columns like fields, like the name of this particular book, author of this particular book, and the user rating, how many the users rating based on the 5 count, and the reviews, how many people give them reviews, and the price of this particular each book, and which year is released, and genre, is a fiction or non-fiction genre. So based on the genre which I mentioned here. So in this field wise we can classify it and show it to analyze in the particular tool. So here I am going to the analytics. First one, ID is here. So in this field we have ID. Already we upload our CSV, right? So we have ID. So is not there in ID. So just I will give the name of the book. ID is not here. So now I give the name of the book. So next one, the name category is then author name. I give the author name, and the category 1 is user ratings, and the category 2 is reviews. So each and every category wise we can upload the data and the price. Sorry. Then here the balance one is the genre, like genre. So every field wise I will upload the data. Okay now. So once I upload the data everything, once I give the import, so that takes some time. So because the file will be analyzed by the Google and is okay for that or not. Once this is not fit for the analytics means that also said that it is not fit. Okay, status is unknown. So the unknown means take so much time, because the data is not uploaded now. It takes some time to analyze the particular data. So within 24 hours, yeah, now you see that the processing is happened, because the data will be analyzed. So it takes some time, so 5 minutes or 5 seconds. So we cannot say the timing. Once the processing will done, it is okay or not. Okay for that means the process done, the tick will be presented here, like completed will be presented here. Okay, so now is the uploading method, so importing method, it is processed here. Once we process, we can check later. So now we are going to the explorations. Once we done for this upload, like data import method, we are going to the explore method. So the explore is having create the visualization. So once you done your data import or data upload, you can go into the explore. You can get it like this. So free form. So individually the template will be there. The free form. That means table wise the visualization has happened. Funnel means that is the column wise the funnel. The data will be showed. The path means the tree, the flow chart wise the visualization is happened. Segment overlap means that it's combined with an pie chart and a donut chart wise. User explorer means you can customize this one. Cohort exploration means the line as well as matrix will combine with the visualization. And the user lifetime, that also table like matrix wise. So each and every template is having individually. If you give the blank means you can also create the visualization one by one. Once you click the blank, you can get it this page like this. So the techniques, the format. So free form you need a cohort exploration funnel, whatever it is you can choose this. And the visualization is a table and a donut chart, line chart and a scatter plot, geomap, bar chart. So some kind of common visualizations happen. And the segment comparison means we can compare with the two different field, that is segment comparison. Sorry, no, I forget. The segment is not like that. Already you have one kind of visualization, you compare with this kind of visualization. Already you have for example, yesterday visualization you have. So you can compare with the today visualization. You can add drag and drop in here, like that particular page, the URL, the page picture, you can drop here, you can comparing this each other. So next one, rows wise count is here, and column wise you can drop in the values. So adjust the values also. The cell type is bar chart and plain or heap, whatever it is you can fix. And the filter also we can drop the data, you can filter that. Okay, now we're going to check if the data is done or not. Okay, data import. Yeah, now is imported. Last the imported. Okay, now the data is imported, but the match rate is not here. Once the match rate will be shown, that means the data will successfully updated, like uploaded. The match rate means how much percentage the data will be perfect, like fit for this particular analytic tool. The match rate will be not showed. So once it will be there, then only we can visualize that. It's not full manual customizing tool. So only similar visualization is happened. Now you see this. So only 6 kind of top plottings, like that means visualization tools is happened. Like here. Okay, now so this is the thing we can use in analytics. So today I will show you, as I was show you, introduction of data analytics and how it is work, what are the benefits, and installation of Google Analytics. How can we install this kind of things? Okay, so in upcoming session we will see the examples for each and everything. The Google Analytics tool also we can take on data or our website data. I will try to show you. So this kind of things I will show you. Okay, now. So this is the thing. Okay, so that's it. So today you will see introduction of Google Analytics and website analysis. Website means we need a web page, so then one day we will set to you. So I hope you will understand this one. So if you have any queries like today's concept related or internship related, so any kind of queries you can ask. We will wait for you for your queries. For now, not now. If you have any later, you can contact these particular numbers. So branch wise, I will show you the contact numbers. So you can anytime you can contact with us. Okay, now. So that's it. So now, if you have any queries, you can ask, or else we will wind up. Pranav, okay, thank you. Shivani, thank you. Okay. Then so anything else? Okay, thank you, Shrikar. So yesterday, I think Srinivas sir will very eager to see today's concept, but here sir is not present. Cinema sir is not present. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Seeker, and thank you, Joe's Blogs. So if you have any queries, we can contact with anytime, or else to our next session you will contact with us. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.